Hey, good evening, everybody. I really apologize about missing class yesterday. I'm recording this on Thursday night, so I apologize about missing class, but it really couldn't be helped because I had a bad crank sensor, and when the crank sensors go bad, the engines will run rough, and if you drive them, they will ruin themselves. I didn't want to do that, so I had to stop and get that fixed. Everything should be ready again, and I'll be back in class on Monday. Apologize for the cough. Okay, what I wanted to do tonight was just show you where we are and where we need to go. And I'll put up, this is the second module, which should be visible to you. And what we have not gone over yet, we just a very little bit. We've talked these are the chapters on basically Earth, a little bit on the Moon, Venus, and Mars. And like I told you several days ago, I want to spend more time on Mars because I like it. Okay, but that's kind of what we're going to do. There's another couple of charts I'll put up there over the weekend, but I want to give you something to look at too. One of the things we have to do this term, and we'll fiddle with that, are some labs on Kepler's laws. Now, one of the things I went over last week and had a videotape on, a YouTube video, was on Kepler's laws. This is here again if you want to look at it again. I thought it was kind of entertaining and educational. Then there is a Kepler's law assignment, which we have to do. And these two things will tell us a whole lot more about how planets move together. And I would appreciate it if you could start working on the Kepler's law assignment. Plus one other thing I'm going to talk about. This other one, this is a document that I kind of modified from someplace else that talks about living on Mars. And some other slides I'm going to put up. Just haven't done it yet, and we'll discuss this stuff on Monday and Wednesday next week, or about how the Martian atmosphere and also just the whole environment, how different it is from the Earth's environment, and how much work it'll be for people who live there to function and have a chance to stay there. Then finally, we'll go to this last section, Lab 3, that we'll do a little over a week, and we'll do that. This is a version of retrograde motion that we saw over at the planetarium last week. And I know this week you've got your quiz. Oh, by the way, quiz 1 is in the testing center. You have really all week to do it. Because of my delay, and you can take it anytime that week. But because of that, if you can't take it that week, I'm not giving any makeups on it because you got a week to do it. At any rate, I'm still planning on seeing you Monday. Now, oh yeah, I got out of order there. We're working on quiz 1 now. Quiz 2 will be coming up in a couple of weeks. Same deal on that. I apologize for getting things out of order. Let's see, is that all I got? I think it is. Okay, well, I guess I will talk with you on Monday. And if you have any questions or issues about anything, just let me know. I'll be happy to help you out if I can. Have a really good weekend. And like I said, I hope to see you on Monday. Bye-bye.